It's July 7th. It is 12:32. Sorry, I'm so hungry. And then I have a smoothie. This is a Loco Beach. It's an online exclusive, so tap in. I'm fucking hungry. I'm tired. I had 2 hours of sleep. Not enough. No, I'm gonna try this though. It just tastes like banana with the hint pineapple and no coconut, which I'm not even mad at. Except the fact that it tastes watery. There's some location on it. Let me not do that. Let me go to work and I need to go back to work. Oh shit. I parked hella close to this car. Actually, no, I didn't, because I'm like on the line on this side. But yo, they keep asking me to stay and I can't do it. I'm so tired. I need to go sleep. But I think I'm gonna go sleep at a quiet landing because dude, I brought a bag and I think I'm gonna just go. I'm gonna just fucking go because guess what? Who's gonna stop me? Definitely not me. But yeah, that's my plan. So maybe see you guys at a quiet landing. Possibly, maybe.
Okay, hey guys. So it's me and Tony today.
I'm driving.
Yeah.
I'm driving the bus.
Who driving this bus? So we got some Chick-fil-A, guys.
For the picnic.
Yeah, we're gonna have a picnic. Very, very last minute, but
Yes.
I had to come to Stafford, so why not? And yeah, so we're gonna have a picnic. Maybe dip our feet into the water, cause that's how we're feeling. And yeah, so I got a pineapple dragon fruit Sprite.
Right.
Okay, and then a pineapple dragon fruit Sunjoy, which I guess is just lemonade and sweet tea. So if you guys like sweet tea, that's y'all's drink. I don't like sweet tea, so that's not my drink. You don't like sweet tea?
Wait, let me try it.
Yeah,
Okay, this is me trying the new Chick-fil-A menu item.
Yes, we should try the burger, but. Wait.
It tastes like try it.
He actually really enjoyed
For
it.
tutu.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's try this, guys.
Does this taste like kind of orangey?
It's not bad though.
Yeah.
It's actually kind of good.
Yeah.
Like you can mix alcohol in there, low key. That's what it's reminding me of, though.
Yeah. It tastes like when you drink something good, but then the taste is like in
Yeah.
your mouth.
Dot. Wait.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. In what terms though?
Like
Dot,
for like a
dot.
drink.
Yeah. I think it's good. Look, I like that.
Okay.
You want to try my Sprite?
Okay. Did you try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Was it good?
Yeah.
Did
I
you say
like
that?
it. No.
Oh.
But
Oh. Sorry. I don't drink soda anymore
oh, really?
because when I was trying to lose weight, I thought that was the easiest thing to cut out. So now like anything carbonated is like a lot. Like
Too much.
it's like a fight. Like
Yeah.
I'm being like attacked. Like that. The bubbles are like punching me.
Yeah, he's like, ooh. Fuck, no more soda for Big Tony.
Cause I was gonna order. I always like to like order whatever like someone else ordered. But I was like,
Oh, like yesterday with Abby.
Yeah, but like I was like, oh, she got a Sprite. Like I can't.
Yeah, low-key, y'all, the only soda I really drink is Sprite. Cause like dark soda like stains the fuck out your tea.
That's
So guys, yeah. So we'll be back when we're at Aquaria.
right. 20 minutes. Oh, I just ended the route.
He said, Siri, take me to Aquaria. Okay, yeah, 20 minutes,
20
guys.
minutes.
So how do I pause this?
That one.
This one? This one?
Yeah, I think both work.
Okay, guys. So we made it to Aquaria. This is our little setup. Yes,
Wait,
so
let's get the food
aesthetic.
out. Yo, I'm
So
starving.
this is our vlog.
Okay.
Or this is our haul.
Here's the receipt. If you want to buy
Thank
anything
you,
that we got.
boss.
Okay. This is yours.
Yeah.
This is special. This is special. And this is
Oh,
mine.
that's great. Oh, you're special too. Fuck. Wait, special needs or special period?
Okay. And then we got a fry for you. Right there. Damn, this shit cow things. I love it. And then
Wait, the sauce
the
setting.
sauces.
Did you ever see on TikTok people ranting, be like, oh, like, when did Chick-fil-A stop putting, like, the sauces in the bag? They were like, bitch, I ain't never get no bag.
Yeah, wait, I've never gotten a bag.
No?
They just toss that shit in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is nice.
So, yeah, y'all, this is our little picnic date, low key. Oh, what did I tell you? The sun was gonna come out as soon as we made it over
Wow.
here.
And look, I'm gonna show you a text that I got. Oh, I got sunglasses. You got your camera?
Oh, he literally not ready.
Wait. He said, "I'd acquire while it's pouring nice." Where the rain
Wait, like,
Where the rain at?
He always on that hating shit.
Eating,
Like,
bro. Calling me broke, but where? Broke
Yeah.
where?
Bitch, broke where we got 2 meals.
And look at our drinks.
So aesthetic. Alright, y'all. Well, we'll see you after we load the
Why my socks do that?
Oh, bitch, you getting
That's
musty.
sweaty. I was about to put them back in the bag. Well, it's my bag. It's gonna be alright.
Look, I thought Abby was calling to be like,
Dude, me too.
yeah.
Alright, we're back. I finished my food. My food is in the bag.
Okay, y'all full.
You're full?
You don't want to finish it?
No, that's a snack for later. It's pretty nice out here. We're in Miami. Yeah. It's that secret beach they talk about in Miami. Only cool people know or whatever. Like if you look over there, that's Cuba. That's over there. If you really squint, that's like the Dominican Republic over there.
And on that side, we got Puerto Rico. So
Right. Like you just really gotta squint.
if you squint harder than that,
Yeah. It's your own reality.
Wait, where is it that all those immigrants are coming from?
From Cuba?
From Cuba?
Or yeah, like Cuba's like really close to like southern Florida, like enough to like take a boat.
Wait, you like my tan?
Wait, I have one too, but I might watch.
Oh, your Apple Watch? Oh, okay, sis.
Oh, don't show. Damn, I should tie the tail. Yeah, you can't see. Let me take it off actually. Please hold. Oh, ew, that look funky.
Mine.
See? Alright, we're matching.
Yo, I was waiting for.
Actually, this is where I tan.
Really?
Yeah, because I wasn't going nowhere.
Fuck, let's take a vacation together.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah,
Let's go to Miami.
wait, what's that Monastrovino thing?
Oh.
Like, yo, let's go to Miami. I'll buy you a ticket.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, and then she's like, I'm friends with Jack Doherty. Or some shit.
Oh yeah, she just said. I like the one where she says like the brisket and menudo.
Yo, I find her so irritating. So y'all, this is actually the Potomac River. So this is where y'all shit at.
Yeah, this is literally where you shit in the toilet and they throw that shit in here.
Yeah.
Your turd, I see it. It's over there, floating right there. Yeah, no, they nasty for that.
I mean, maybe it hasn't reached over here, but
It's gotta be on purpose though. There's no like, how does that happen on accident? Like, how do you just drop shitty water in the like?
no, that's definitely Trump, y'all.
Yeah, no, he's trying to kill us. He know we here. And he said
Just
that.
send a picture to Makai and be like, actually, no.
I try. My phone's about to die, y'all.
Oh,
Oh, that's it.
is it?
Well, oh, that's me. Look, you can see me in the reflection. Well,
We should look, go grab that ball. Right there.
Wait, look at somebody.
They would have been grabbed it.
You sure?
Yeah,
I'm gonna go this way.
don't be.
Should I
The
ask
world
her-
is yours.
Should I ask her if it's hers?
No. Sis, does she look like she played with the ball? Mookie, I was so good for vegan. I know y'all shitting here, but this all I got. Oh, dang. The water's actually so freaking warm. Y'all think it's because it's shitty water or not? Oop, that's Tony's little shit. Shit. Yeah, I almost fell into the water, camera and everything. What I had to push it. We in Miami turning up in Marina. Is it so aesthetic? That's not your boss, dude. Save that for the fishes.
We going to the World Cup, y'all.
Like the chapinas or what? The water is so warm, Tony. Yeah. Wonder what kind of fish are in here.
Wait, let me put my shoes back.
Low key, at least you want to go in. But I don't have no extra clothes, so I can't. So I got.
No, I got the beach ball.
Get in.
Okay. Oh, it is.
You see? It's actually so nice. I was like, I don't know if it's because the shit in here over here, like.
Somebody just fucking went to the bathroom.
I saw like a little stem of something of a plant. I was like, yeah, that was Tony's little shit from last night.
Wait, I'm gonna take off my shirt.
I would take mine off, but I don't got no bra on. Okay, you're about to get naked. Hold up, how do I? Y'all like that or what? Y'all like? Oh shit. So y'all like that clip daily? Cause I
I
took
got my belt, so I have to like hold my pants.
Oh shit, Calvin Klein.
Okay.
Baby, it look like you they model.
We got shitty fucking food. We're doing mad shitty food.
Toenails gonna be all black and shit.
Bro.
I don't know.
We think I can set up the camera while we fucking pass this back and
You
forth?
think so? Let's go check.
Wait, get it? No, you have to stay in there, or you. I'll stay in here, try to get me in the frame. Like, take the frame.
We're gonna see y'all. Where am I in? Okay, y'all, we're gonna set y'all up. Low-key? Low-key while I eat. Hold on, y'all. Or does it? I can't really tell. Okay, yeah, that's all y'all get.
It's windy. Oh, nah. You gotta take a piss. Whoa. Oh my god.
-1. Yo, keep count. What are we talking about?
The video?
Okay. I have to play hard to win. That's just okay. I think I'm bad shit.
I mean, I feel like that's
No, because the win is against me, so I have to like get it right. I didn't even hit it. The win. Hey, watch. Where the sun at? Nah, that's messed up.
that was my boss too. Did it feel that water? So aesthetic. Bitch, this bitch look like Tarzan. Look like Tarzan with flowers.
Like fucking Tarzan.
Whoa! What the fuck? You're gonna watch the video? I was like, this doesn't look like Tarzan.
Bro, my dumbass in the fucking jungle, like.
I was literally like,
Great
this.
minds think
I
alike.
was like, this bitch over here looking like Tarzan. Okay, I'm about to go pick up them shotties for Tony. Okay. Tony goes to a bitch. Oh yeah, I can't see the houses from here. So excited. I'm in Miami turning up another night.
She with her friends.
Let the shorty take the yacht. I don't know the rest of the song. Our inspo leaving, y'all.
You said what?
Our inspo leaving.
No.
I'm gonna be like, what book that is? Dominican Republic, baby. Puerto Rico, Cuba. I'm telling you. And then over there, baby, that's just Virginia, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. We'll vlog later because look at the battery
we'll be
dying.
back later. Peace out.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all. So we're having some technical difficulties because Tony broke fucking my car's mom's umbrella.
It's not broken. Y'all, she gonna fix it right now.
Bitch, this bitch broken. This bitch flat.
If any of y'all know any technicians out there, umbrella technicians,
Well, what the fuck are these? Y'all, I'm getting overstimulated. I'm itchy as fuck.
well, I felt a raindrop.
Raindrop.
Drop top.
Pull up in a bitch, get your dick sucked. Oop.
Is that the song?
Oop. Like, actually, now that I think about it. No, y'all. I don't know what the fuck.
You know what? You know what they say? If you can't see the problem, it ain't there. So.
We just gonna give it back.
Yeah. Okay.
Well, we didn't even use it, so what's up?
Yeah, it's fine. Look, it's fine. It's an umbrella. It's still there. It's in one piece. But here we are. Ooh, you see that?
Okay, y'all. Let's go now before it starts raining hard
Yeah.
as fuck.
Come on, let's pack up. Get yourself.
I'll put this in your bag.
That. Ooh, the sauce fell out. Did you need the sauce? It's gone now. Oh, I got barbecue on my fingers. Oh shit. Alright, we'll see you guys when we're back in the car.
Is it recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
If it's counting down, then the
Okay. Okay, guys. So we left. We had a good, jolly old time.
Exactly.
But we had to leave because we was getting itchy.
Change of plans.
Yeah.
Oh, we just feel like going to Stonebridge because like it's just a nice little shopping area to walk
Yeah.
around.
I guess.
Yeah, like it's just like that time of day too. It's like what 4 p.m. right? Dot. Or is it 5?
It's 5:20.
Oh shit. Well, that's the perfect time to go to Stonebridge because you know they always be doing Stonebridge stuff. So
That's suspicious.
well, you know what? We don't need no location to be.
Yeah, we know where you. We know where you was at, sis. We know.
So you know what? In that case,
We on the way.
we on the way. Because that's an invitation right there.
Yeah.
Like, if anything, that's just you telling
Yeah,
me.
she big.
She said, "Come find me."
Yeah.
And you know what we gonna do?
Find her. Yeah, she big. Why were we like, oh, what are you doing later? Like, maybe we can hang out. But we were talking about, like, right after we left here, low-key.
Right.
Yeah, she was like, I don't got no plans. Okay, cool.
Cause I don't. You know what? She knew she was dead wrong because she was showered. She was trying to get.
Yeah, she was talking about, you have my perfume? Sis, I don't got your perfume, sis. So I was like, well, why do you need your perfume if you're not going out? She said, I'm not going out.
I was just looking for you.
Yeah. I'm not going out. Okay.
Right. Well.
Now we're finally behind this car. Let me
Yeah,
put you on the side.
ass, dude. You know we got places to be. We got.
Yeah, bitch. Like,
Yeah.
yeah.
Cotton 4K, y'all. You was in her face. Thank you so much.
Because there's no way they didn't see that.
Oh, they actually got like drink. They got. I kind of want to try matcha.
From here?
Yeah, look, they got a yuzu matcha. I don't know what yuzu is, but
Bye. Frozen daiquiri. Oh, frozen daiquiri. How the fuck?
Oh, daiquiri.
Daiquiri.
Yeah. Oh, that sounds good.
Wait, so this water is $6.
Let me taste it. Tastes like it should be free.
Yeah.
Just put it on my tab, don't worry. Wait, this all looks good.
Yeah, right?
Get something on me.
On you?
Yeah, on me. Oh, my camera gonna die. No.
Yeah, that's why.
This is how we make the money, though.
Okay, let's just get that mango sticky rice.
Okay, where that?
Right here.
Oh, sweet sticky. Yeah.
Yeah.
Boom. But I'm gonna get that matcha.
You are?
Yeah. Get something. I got you. They got hella shit. They got appetizers.
I know, that should have a lot, right?
Yeah, they got noodles. They got curries.
I wish we could drink.
I know. That shit sound good. All right, we'll be back with the food so that I can record it because this camera gonna die. Say bye.
Hi guys. Okay guys, so we just finished our mango sticky rice with, what did you get?
A matcha, yuzu matcha. Honestly, 9 out of 10.
I really enjoyed it. The matcha I'll rate an 8 out of 10. The mango sticky rice I'll rate a 10 out of 10. I really liked it. Like, the mango was really good. And what I really liked on the mango sticky rice was those little crunchy, like,
Oh, bunnies.
yeah, those are really good. I really liked it. And the scenery, 11 out of 10. It's really giving you. Tony did say if it was nighttime, it would be cuter, which is pretty understandable, pretty valid. But yeah.
Yeah, I know. They used to work right there, so I would kind of see her be like,
Excuse ya.
oh, sorry. You eat that? Smell it. That's definitely rosemary.
You said, can I eat this? Okay, because we ate the flour that was on the plate.
Ooh, that face was sour.
Try it.
Stop.
I just took a, like, I just took
I got cooked.
What? But low-key, y'all, we gotta go because Tony has to pick up his mom at
Oh, wait, I
8.
do. I gotta drop her off and then go pick up my mom.
So,
And then
yeah.
I'm gonna go hang out with Abby. Do you wanna come? Or you gotta go?
Well, it depends since, like, I do live in Spotsy.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Well, maybe next time then.
Yeah.
There's always tomorrow.
Yeah, so,
Yeah. So
Bye-bye.
thank you for watching this video.
Thank you watching.
Please subscribe, please like, and please comment down below your favorite part of this world. I look like I didn't sleep.
we didn't, sis. But, okay, y'all, so.
See you guys in the next one. Bye.